So hello guys, it's me Comp Learning, and today in my video I am going to show you how to fix the update errors in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So guys, if you like me, subscribe and click the bell icon, is the subscribe button, and like my video. So guys, let's go straight into this. So guys, earlier when you were watching my videos, I was using the Windows 10 1903 version because I was not getting the updates, I was getting the error. So there was some application called Stop Windows 10 Guard. So I deleted that and I have unblocked Windows Update, and I didn't knew about that earlier. So I deleted that app and I unblocked, and my Windows 10 is updated to the Windows 11. So how to fix that? So first, the first step is you have to go to the start here and go to the CMD file. Okay, you just have to go to the CMD, run as administrator, go yes, drag this and then write let stop, just in small, let's stop. So Windows Update service is not started. Just let's stop. Okay. So you have to stop the Windows Update service, the background intelligent service also, and this cryptographic service also. So if you have stopped, now close this command prompt, go to the file manager. Now here in file manager, as you see, you just have to go to the local disk, Windows. In Windows you will see software distribution. Just right click, delete. As you see, it's deleted. Now what you have to do, now just have to go to the CMD again, go to the run as administrator, and then start the services that we have stopped. SVC has started. The cryptographic SVC has started. So now you have to close your tab and see the result in the settings here, and go to the Windows Update. See the result here. So another step, you have to go to the start and search for the Stop Windows 10 Guard. So that interrupts and that blocks your Windows. So if you want to block, you can install that app. If you don't want to block and you have to continue with the Windows Update, you can install, you can delete, or you can then disable you can unblock them. So first you have to go to the start and stop updates 10, click on yes, and see, as you see, make sure Windows Update is not blocked, and make sure start the Windows updates and unpause the updates also. After doing that, see the result in the settings app. So guys, this is how to fix the Windows Update errors. So if you like, subscribe and click the bell icon, it's a subscribe button, and like my video. So guys, take care and bye for now.